What is up, guys? Jake WX here coming with another special edition video of the possible or likely winter storm coming to the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast tomorrow. Here we go. This is the GFS model 12Z from January 18th. As you can see, it shows the heavy snow getting into area around 10 a.m. because this is, it says 15Z, but I think that's 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. So shows the heavy snow getting to area with the low pressure, pretty good for areas DC North. A lot of people saying I-95. I'm actually going to say DC North because I do think DC can actually get in the mix of that 3 to 6 range. I'm not going to lie. I do think it's very possible. So this is the latest GFS. And if we check the temperatures, they're 27. This is very good for snow. Yeah, this is very good. Even like throughout, and I can draw a line too. And even if you're just going through like here, you're still gonna see this. But by the time this area is not gonna get snow till later, so they should be fine. How do I erase this? I don't know how to. I don't know how to do it. What the heck? Oh, clear all. There you go. My bad, guys. Sorry about that. I have just used this. So yeah, and then we can go back to. We can look at the upper air temperatures because they are actually pretty good for this storm too. So this is a 950. So I want to. The line for the snow is actually going to be right here. So if you're above this line, that's going to be snow for you. So that's a good sign. It's a good sign for us snowers. Now, probably the thing you want to see here is the snowfall. And I'll show that to you right now. This isn't a forecast, it's just the one model where it says, but it's not bad. 3 to 6, and you have 4 to 8 in Northern Maryland, Southern PA. I do think this area where my cursors are on is going to be the bullseye. So talking about this part of the New York until when you're in Eastern Pennsylvania, I think somewhere in there is going to be when the bullseye. So this is not a bad run for us, and I think it's very good. Next, we're on to the Euro. It's the Euro 12Z run. Very similar to the GFS. Yeah, it's pretty similar, honestly. I mean, we can look at the temperature profile too. 25, very good for snow. That's going to be pretty good sticking. Temperatures might be an issue at first, but I think as the storm goes on, you're not going to have any issues with sticking. I think you're going to be good, and there's going to be a pretty big thump in the end because I wanted to show you guys this from the Euro. Look at the snowfall rates. I'm not sure what time this is at because it's all mixed up, but you have 1.6 inch per hour rates in Baltimore. That is crazy. That's crazy. That's a pretty it's pretty crazy. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty crazy, guys. Alright. We are on. Oh, and then for total snowfall, we're looking at for the Euro. So this is not bad either. DC North. I mean, even has 4 to 8 pockets for DC and Baltimore, which is a little interesting, but not bad. I can see the solution. I think this is a little underdone over here, especially because you're going to have higher elevation, better ratios, and I think we'll have a better thump too. But yeah, not bad. So this is, and then we have the latest NAM here. Don't ignore these like bubbles in the precip. I don't know why it's doing that. It's a little weird to me, but ignore that. So yeah, this looks very good. I agree with the snowfall that the NAM is showing here. I think this is underdone. It's definitely underdone over here, but I like this. This is definitely a possible event, 3 to 6 for an 8 moderate event that will probably take place. Here we go. Now we're going to get into RDBS. So this is a very questionable model, folks. Very questionable. It's been the big talk, but guess what? 18Z caved. Here we go. Look at that. And I want to show you, look at this. Back to 12Z. Nothing like it. I mean, it's way more south. It doesn't look like a lot, but you're on the... This basically brings snow to DC instead of a late rain, a cold rain. Now, they're gonna say the snowfall totals aren't impressive on this model. That's sure they're not. They're not, and it's I think all we want to see is shift south. I'm still not buying it. Like I don't know this. Yeah, I could see it. I do think it shifts a little more south though, because it's still too north in my opinion and too warm, like other models are showing. Now this is my forecast that I made. This could be updated. I could add a 4 to 8 pocket. I could definitely add a 4 to 8 pocket somewhere around this area. Maybe, yeah. So if you're in the middle of the 3 to 6, you could probably get closer to 6, maybe even 7 in there. But yeah, that's definitely true. And then I could add a pocket of 2 to 4 below 3 to 6. Because, yeah, areas a little south of DC could see 2 to 4 for sure. But yeah, that is my forecast. Thanks for all the love on X, my guys. I'm liking it. And this is the National Weather Service forecast for our area. For Baltimore, they actually uptrended it. I actually do believe that you're going to see a 4 to 6 coming to Baltimore. I think you're going to have a 4 to 6 range. And I do think that the counties that aren't in winter storm warnings, if you're north of this line, so DC North, I think you're ready on winter storm warning. I do really think that. Just on basic recent models, basing it off the recent models runs, it's looking like you're gonna see a winter storm warning. I wouldn't be surprised if they issue it during the storm when they realize it's overflowing. But yeah, I'll keep y'all posted on my X, and peace out.